Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create some nice social media icons using only HTML and CSS. So these are the icons. As you can see, this is a really cool effect. The background changes with the color of the specific social media. And this is what we're gonna be building. Now if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon, because on this channel I upload new videos every single day that will help you become a better web developer and live a better life. Okay, now let's get straight to the coding. I have an empty folder here on my desktop and I open it with my text editor, which in my case is brackets. I recommend that you code along with me because that is the best way to develop your skills as a web developer. I'm going to create the index.html file. Okay, and the style.css. Now for the markup, give it a basic markup, and for a title, social media icons. Now I'm gonna link my style.css, so style.css, and I'm also gonna go to Font Awesome. We're gonna need the icons from there. Go to fontawesome.com, click Start Using Free, copy this link, and paste it right here. Okay, the markup will be very simple. We're gonna have an unordered list, so UL, and this side an LI, and inside the LI an A tag, and I'm gonna copy this 5 more times. Okay, and inside each list item with the link, inside here we're gonna put our icon. So let's search first for right here, search icons, YouTube, and this one. Now for Facebook, this one, Twitter. I'm opening it in a new tab, so I don't have to open and close. Instagram. I'm gonna pick this one. 2 more, LinkedIn. This one, and Google Plus. Let's see, this one. Okay, now I'm gonna go here and copy this. Go back, paste the icon in here, moving to the Facebook one, click, paste it here, Twitter, click and paste, close the Twitter tab, Instagram, the same thing, copy and paste. Now 2 more, LinkedIn, copy, paste, and Google Plus, copy, paste. Now I'm gonna close the Font Awesome, and I'm gonna open our index.html in the browser. As you can see, they look pretty bad, but that's it for the markup. Now we're gonna go ahead to the style.css, and I'm gonna start with some general styling. First, let's make some space here. Alright, I'm gonna select everything on the page with the asterisk symbol, and I'm gonna give it a margin 0 and padding 0. Now for the body, I'm gonna give it a font family of Arial sans serif, and a background of 333, a gray background. Okay, now we're gonna select the UL, so UL, give it a list style of none to remove the bullet points, give it a display of flex, and when we put display flex on a parent, all the direct childs will be put in a row next to each other. So as you can see, they're next to each other. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, and now give it a position of absolute. We're gonna center those, top 50%, left 50%, and transform, translate, -50%, -50%, and now they should be centered. As you can see, they are centered. Okay, now I'm gonna select the links, so ULLIA, and I'm gonna give those a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels, a background of white, so FFF, text align, set it to center, give it a line height of 100 pixels, a font size of 42 pixels, and let's take a look what it looks like. what they look like. Still not very good. Let's move on. A margin. Let's give it 0 on top and bottom, 15 pixels left to right. Display them as block. Border radius 25%. So I'm putting this border radius. If I comment it out, as you can see, I think it looks better with some little rounded corners like this. Give it the position of relative. So right here. Overflow, set it to hidden. I'm gonna show you why. And border 4 pixels, solid white, FFF. Now I'm gonna select the icons, so ULLIAI. I'm gonna give this a position of relative, color of dark gray 333, and transition from for when we're gonna do the hover 0.5 seconds. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, moving on. Now when we're gonna hover the A element, so ULLIA hover, and we're gonna select the I tag and give this a color of white, and transform, rotate 360 degrees, DEG. Let's take a look. As you can see, but they become white because we're gonna set a background, the red for YouTube, blue for Facebook, and so on. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna select the A, so ULLIA, and now I'm gonna use the pseudo selector before, and I'm gonna put a content of I'm gonna leave it empty, a position of absolute, top 100%, left 0, give this a width of 100%, a height of 100%, a background of black, so 000 for now, and a transition for 0.5 seconds. Okay, now you can see it, but if we remove this top, as you can see, it's black. Let's uncomment this, and let's see what happens if we comment out this overflow hidden. As you can see, this is why I said it, so they won't show right here. Okay. Now moving on, I'm gonna select the ULLIA hover before, and now I'm gonna give this a top of 0, so it will slide up those squares you saw. So as you can see, they come from below, and the overflow hidden was set so that they won't show initially. I really hope that makes sense. And now we're gonna change the colors. We're gonna select each one of the A elements, so ULLI, and I'm gonna use the pseudo selector and child, and we're gonna select the first one and A hover. And now I'm gonna give this a background, put right there. I'm gonna copy this whole block 5 more times for each of the social media. So I'm gonna change this to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I'm gonna go to Google and type social media colors. I'm gonna click this link, and I'm gonna search for let's see, for YouTube. It's right here. Copy this, go to your text editor and paste. Let's do the Facebook one. Let's see, I think it's above. There you go. So copy this, go back, and now for the Twitter, it's right here. Copy, paste. Now for let's see, what's the name? I think Instagram. Right, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google+. So Instagram, copy, paste, LinkedIn right here. So copy, and paste it here. And Google Plus, there it is, copy, paste, and that should be all. Let's refresh it. Okay, something something isn't right here. Let's see. We need to remove this this dark background from here. Let's remove it. But now it doesn't slide from below. Alright, so I know what the problem is. Right here, instead of hover, we need to put before. So I'm gonna select each of those. Okay, delete the hover and put before, and that should do it. As you can see, now they work as they should be, and I think it looks really nice. This can really add some flavor to your website. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, maybe share this video, it will help me a lot, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already, as I post new videos every single day. With that being said, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.